welcome back to another fun-packed show. This week we have a stunning card by Cynthia Massey and a fab male-themed freebie, ideal for birthdays or Father's Day. Before we start, I want to remind you that we now print and post all card making orders on Craftsuprint. Next week, we will be offering this service with a 50% discount to make sure, keep your eye out for that promotion. Before I show you this week's giveaway, let me show you this awesome card designed by our exclusive designer, Cynthia Massey. Remember crafters, all products shown in this episode are exclusive to Craftsuprint. This means you won't find them anywhere else on the internet. The cup number for this stunning card is cup 972-478-3367 and it's called Twisted Gatefold with Lilac Flowers. Cynthia's printed her design onto Crafty Bob's paper. She scored it and folded the base sheet to form this twisted shape, like that. Isn't that cute? She then decoupaged the flowers there with foam pads and placed these beautiful butterflies. There, look, 1, 2, 3 on there. I love the little black gems. Can you see them? Just to add to the lovely butterflies' wings. She's added a coordinating black bow. This card has this fantastic wow factor and can be used for lots of different occasions. Who wouldn't want to receive this lovely card? It stands well on its own. It folds flat to fit into a standard 8x8 envelope. The type of card really stands out and would bring a smile to any recipient's face. A keepsake card with a twist. Absolutely stunning. Okay folks, it's freebie time. This week's giveaway is a 4-sheet cracker by Gillian Hutchinson and the cup number is cup 806-760_1443. These sheets I am showing you have been professionally printed on Crafty Bob's paper using our Xerox digital printing press. Look at the rich colours. Can you see there? The gloss finish. These sheets are as good, if not better, than the sheets you can buy down your local craft shop. If you don't have a printer, we can print our giveaway for free, send you a free gift worth £3. At the end of the show, I will show you the 3 ways you can get your freebie. This kit is exclusive to Craftsuprint and makes a lovely birthday card or a fun Father's Day card for a young, trendy dad. I love the embellishments that have been added to this card. They really, really bring it to life. Just look, I'll get a close one for you. Hang on, let's just move that out of the way. Can you see there, look, the baseball cap? Can you see? Looks really good. There's an emoji there, look. Music notes. They are absolutely gorgeous. They really are. It really stands out. Now I'm going to hand you over to Anne-Marie, who is going to show you how to make this fabulous, lovely card. Over to you, Anne-Marie.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you by Craftsuprint. And you can find Craftsuprint at www.craftsuprint.com. Now in this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous mini kit from Gillian Hutchinson and it's cup number 806-760-1443 and it's called Stylish Birthday. Now in this kit you get 4 sheets and it's going to give you the card front and decoupage and inserts to fit a 7x7 card. So you would need a 7x7 card. This has been printed on the Craftsuprint cardstock and using the print service that Craftsuprint offer. It's good quality and it's a great print. You can see the sheen on it. It's not glossy, but it is shiny. It's just the print and superb. So in the kit you get 4 sheets. Now the first sheet is the actual base image of the card. We've got some sentiments as well, and we've got a mini card as well. The second sheet is the decoupage layers that you can build up the card front, and extra sentiments as well. Third sheet is the insert panel that can be used inside the card, and then we've got 2 smaller pattern design squares, and then we've got a final insert panel that's blank and 2 more of the smaller design squares. So let's make this card, and I've also got an idea for the squares as well that we get, and something else for one of the insert panels. Now I've got my blank card. This is just a basic 7x7 inch white card, and I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to add one of the small design squares to the back of the card. I've got double-sided tape on the back of it, and I'm just simply peeling the back of the tape away, and Gillian's design is just going to look so professional adding this to the back of our card. So I can leave enough room underneath it just to write my name so the recipient will know who sent it to them, and it's just going to tie the design in perfectly. So for the inside of the card, I've decided to use the insert that's got happy birthday to someone with style on it, and isn't that great? What a great sentiment to send to a guy in your life. And you can use the different sentiments for the outside to tailor it to whoever the gentleman is. So I've just simply peeled off the back of the double-sided tape, and I'm going to add this just inside the card, through the centre of it, leaving a border around the outside. And we've got enough room for our to and our from in the insert. Now I can decorate the front of the card. So the base layer for the card is the full design, and it's just such a versatile design. Guys are sometimes quite difficult to create for. Some don't like the vintage style, some prefer a modern style, etc. And I think this would fit for whoever you're sending it to. So I'm just simply popping the base image on flat double-sided tape through the centre of the card, pressing it down, and then I can build up the decoupage pieces. Now this I think is ideal for both beginners and advanced crafters, because for beginners everything's there that you need to make the card. For advanced crafters you can build up the image as far as you want, and you could actually add different techniques to the front as well. You can add your ribbon. You might not necessarily want to add any crystals, but you could add some glossy accents to the actual clothes, etc., and just give it your own spin. So that's our base layer. So I'm going to go with our largest layer of decoupage first. I've got 3D foam on the back of it, and it's just going to fit perfectly over the images on the previous layer. So we'll lay that down. Then we can go to our next layer, which is the t-shirt and the jumper. Again, 3D foam on the back. So you can build this up as high as you want using the layers. And I'm just using standard 3D foam, but you can use a thicker one or a taller one to get even more height on it. So this is our final layer for our clothing, and you can see how it's cut away for this layer, and the jumper's not there, so that gives it the third layer of just the t-shirt. Now I've got the watch. I've got that on 3D foam. I think that would look great with glossy accents on the watch face. And we can just add the watch over the watch on the base image. And then we've got the shoes. Again, 3D foam. So I'm just adding those over the image on the card. And then I've taken 2 of the little sentiments, and we've got Happy Birthday 18 today. I've just literally added a little bit of tape between them and some 3D foam on the back, And I'm thinking that's going to sit perfectly just at the side of the shoes under the jumper, like that. There we go, and I can press that down. And that is our card finished. And you can see how perfectly it matches the outside, the inside, and the back pulls it all together. Great design, really is, for all those men in your life. Now next, the little card that's included, that's the mini card. That would make a great gift tag and coordinate everything to match. And then our final thing that I just want to show you that I think really will make everything match. This is the envelope for the 7x7 card. And this is the blank insert that Gillian's included. I've got flat tape on the back of it, so I'm just going to peel the back of it away, and I'm going to add this to the front of our envelope, like so, just through the centre of the envelope. There we go, press it down. Now you can write your name and address in the centre, everything coordinates. You've got your card, you've got your mini tag card, and it's just such a great kit. So please check out Gillian's designs on Craftsuprint, and I just want to remind you of the cup number. So it's cup 806760_1443. I do hope you've enjoyed watching and it's given you some ideas and a little bit of inspiration. So I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. I found your tutorial very helpful. Also, a very big thank you to Gillian Hutchinson for providing this week's giveaway. Don't forget to follow Gillian next time you visit craftsuprint.com. Remember, all her designs are exclusive and come with a best price guarantee sticker. Thank you to Cynthia Massey for showcasing her unique gatefold card, and thank you to you, the Craftsuprint community, for supporting this wonderful website. That's all from me, folks. I do hope you've enjoyed the show. Don't forget to click on Crafty Bob to subscribe, and don't forget to share. Remember, share is caring. Bye!